My first inspiration by Jose Rizal. Why falls so rich I spray of fragrance from the bowers of the balmy flowers upon this festive day? Why from woods and vales do we hear sweet measures ringing that seem to be the singing of a choir of nightingales? Why in the grass below do birds start at the wind's noises, unleashing their honey-yield voices as they hop from bough to bough? Why should the spring that glows its crystalline murmur be tuning to the zephyrs' mellow croning as among the flowers it flows? They seem to me more enchanting, more fair than the other days, the doe enchanting face among red clouds appearing. The reason their mother is, they feast you day from the bloom, the roses with its perfume, the birds with its harmonies, and the spring that rings with laughter. Upon this joy day, with its murmur seems to say, live happily ever after. And from that spring in the grove, how turn to hear the first note, that from my lute I emote to the impulse of my love. My first inspiration, originally mi primera inspiration, is the heartfelt poem that reflects Jose Rizal's deep administration and love for his mother, Donna Teodora Alonso. Written when Rizal was just 15 years old, the poem served as both a tribute to his mother and a celebration of his beautiful of nature surrounding his birthday. The imaginary of fragrant flowers, singing birds, and the joyful sound of spring creatures a vivid background that enhance the emotional resources of the poem. The central themes, love of country. While this poem is primarily about his mother, it also reflects Rizal Border love for the Philippines. The beauty he described in nature can be seen as a reflection of his homeland, which he cherished deeply. Patriotism, Rizal patriotic sentiments, as in his appreciation of the beauty of his surrounding, which he likes to the nurturing qualities of the mother. This connection emphasizes the idea that love of the one family and country are intertwined. This desire for freedom, although not explicitly about political freedom, the poem's celebration of life and beauty can be interpreted as the yearning for the brighter future for the Philippines. His letter work that directly address the need of liberation from colonial oppressions, call for justice. The poem indirect advocates of the recognition of the important role of women, particularly mother, in the shaping society. This theme aligns with Rizal Border's call of social reform and justice in his offer writing. For me, the poem served as the reminder for the invaluable role that mothers play in our life and the profound influence they have on our development. It encouraged me to appreciate and honor the sacrifice of my own mother and to recognize the nurturing qualities that shape our identities. The poems inspire a sense of gratitude and motivates me to carry forward the values that my mother instilled in me. For the Filipino people, this poem encapsulates the enhance of our cultural values surrounding family and respect for our heritage. It emphasizes the importance of recognizing and honoring our roots, with the crucial in the time when globalization overshadow local identities. Rizal celebration of his mother and the nature beauty of the Philippines serve as a reminder of the need of cherish our culture and traditions.